This is a nice 4Runner, huh? Limited edition. Looking nice. Guys, today we're gonna cut these rotor and change brake pad as well because they're done, they're finished. This is a 2018 4Runner. If you didn't know, guys, this is how we do it. Yep, we cut in the rotor. You see that? Yep. So it's all the way to finish, both sides. Level looking down nice. Yep. Remember, guys, like. If you don't like, nothing wrong. Just subscribe. Yeah, we're doing all the way around, you know. Customer complain about noise, brake making noise, a little east sound. All right, this is the noise. Listen. You hear that noise? All right, we're gonna fix that today, right?